Trade alert. How to safely profit from a massive stock market crash. Click the link below for 7 days of free trades. You can make good, easy money shorting America's favorite S&P 500 SPY ETF. But you can get rich betting against China's large cap ETF, FXI, which may go to $0. Billions of US dollars have been funneled unknowingly to communist China ETFs. Chinese ETFs like EEM, FXI, and MCHI could drop 90% or more in the coming months as the US-China trade war escalates. There is no transparency in these ADR products and could quickly be outlawed by the US government in 2019 or 2020. Stocks likely to crash until the Fed FOMC announcement September 18th, when they're likely to dramatically cut rates and start printing money to support the China trade war. Here is the magic formula for safe profits during this decline. Step 1, buy 100 shares of the SPY ETF. Now that's not because we want the SPY ETF to go up. It's because we want to sell an in-the-money call option against our shares. This is a covered call, and we're going to use it for step 3. We're going to take the money from selling a call option that's deep in the money for a huge credit worth hundreds of dollars. And we're going to take that free credit that we're collecting, and we're going to buy an in-the-money put option. And on top of that, we'll take a small chunk and buy an out-of-the-money put option on FXI. These are the Chinese companies that are likely to be demolished by the US-China trade war and quite frankly could be outlawed and go to zero. Millions of Americans have so much money in their retirement accounts that are being passively invested into these index funds, and they're financing a communist regime who's about to have all the wrath of the U.S. put on it in one hell of a trade war that the world has never seen to this degree in any point in history. We'll be repeating this trade until approximately September 17th for an expected short-term bounce from a Fed put. My expectation is they're going to drop rates consecutively over the next 12 months all the way back to zero and start up QE, quantitative easing. But that may not be enough, as it appears the Chinese do not want a trade resolution. They want to put the U.S. into recession. They want Trump out of office, and they want the chance to take over the #1 power in the world. What could hurt this trade? China-US de-escalating the trade war. It just doesn't seem like it's in the books, but if that happens, we can flip the strategy for a huge rebound in equities and generate profits doing exactly the opposite of this trade. We have 100+ investors with $100,000 to $5 million portfolios following our trade alerts. Trade alerts are easy to follow and predictable every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at exactly noon Eastern. We have a live webinar with our entire group every Wednesday, Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern. I want to invite you to try our program out free for the next 7 days. Make enough money to pay for the entire advisory. Meet our group, try the trade alerts, see it works. This is the smartest way to invest in the markets. We target a safe 1 to 2% monthly return and deliver results fast. You're not going to get rich overnight with our program, but what you will figure out how to do is own the right assets and take advantage of the options market. We like to sell call options to generate consistent income and use part of that income to buy put options to protect the downside and even profit from down moves. We've had a 900% gain on our SPY puts just this week in August, and we're racking up hundreds of percent in gains shorting China. This has just begun. The huge move is not even in the books yet, so you have not missed out on the opportunity. And we've been predicting this and preparing for a trade war since June. Now, we don't only trade equities. On Thursday, we play the bond market with the TLT. Precious metals and cryptocurrencies, we trade on Tuesday and Thursday with buy and hold strategy. And our general recommendation at this point in time is a 45% total equity portfolio, a 45% bond portfolio, and a 10% precious metals digital money portfolio. If the tariffs truly raise on September, I'm prepared to change our allocation to be 20% precious metals and digital money, as that will lead the way for monetary expansion at all major central banks, which will dramatically drive up the price of gold, silver, and Bitcoin. And when you follow our strategy, which has an even weight in stock to bonds, it makes it extremely and incredibly hard to lose. When one goes up, the other goes down, and when the other goes down, the other goes up. In general, we're consistently pulling profits month after month with extremely low drawdown. So right now, the trade we're doing is an upside down collar on the SPY and TLT. That's the easy, safe money in the market. Then we take a part of that profit and speculate on the more risky assets like put options on FXI, call options on gold and silver. It's time to fire your advisors, folks, and try an easy system that works. We have hundreds of people following us, millions of dollars following the trade alerts. This is a serious program for serious investors. Most of our clients have at least $100,000 to put to work. Some have millions. So to recap, during your free trial, you'll get free trade alerts Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon Eastern. We deliver it via video, email, text message, and Telegram. And if you do upgrade, you'll get bonus trade alerts on Tuesday and Thursday, also at noon Eastern. Our trade alerts take no more than 5 minutes, and they are atomic bomb proof. That means you can't make or lose too much during each trading period. Our goal is to have a high probability trade and to slowly and gradually generate profits that add to our bottom line and can generate anywhere from 10 to 20% a year in a total return. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below. Start your free 7-day trial. There's no credit card required. My goal will be to generate enough profits for you in the first week that you can pay for the cost of our trade alerts for the rest of your life. So don't wait a second longer. Click the link below. Look for a trade alert Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon Eastern. If you type in your phone number, you'll also get it via text message, and we're here to help. So thanks for your time. I have another video that will autoplay if you're not convinced yet. And if you do want to help us out, please like this video and leave a comment below. That'll help our organic search rankings hit the top and get this information to more investors.